Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at how you set up paid memberships in your apps. You need to turn on the calendar booking feature, which is in your Create App section in the Reseller dashboard. Select the calendar booking feature once you've logged into the app dashboard, and come over here to your settings and click on General. Once you do that, you have a few settings you need to configure: your currency, your time zone, your date format, time format. Pretty straightforward stuff. Payment right here, you're able to have three different settings. Membership registration means if you want to charge somebody on a monthly basis or weekly or bi-weekly or annual basis, you select membership. Per slot booking means if you want to sell classes or sessions on an individual basis, where you sell, a spin class or a aerobics class, every week, or you have 5 a week and you can sell each class for $10 or $20 or whatever. That's per slot booking. Or if you just want to set up a membership without collecting any payments at all, you would select no payments. Your tax rates, you can, that's all manageable. If you want to use a Stripe SDK where you handle the membership in Stripe and all of the stuff that goes with it, so like any kind of emails that go out or whatnot, you would select the Stripe SDK. If you want to enable coupons and vouchers, you would select that. Include your Stripe keys. So we've got 3 different payment processors set up with this system. You've got Stripe, PayPal Business, which only works with per slot booking, so that on an individual basis, or IntegraPay. This is for our Australian brothers and sisters. IntegraPay, you can only select one of these payment gateways. Obviously, you don't want to have multiple payment gateways. If you want to set up recurring bookings where you're doing a weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, annual membership, then you would check this box off. Number of additional people means if you want to have family members activated. For example, if you want to sell a membership for a gym and you want to allow them to have family members, you would check that box off. Cash payment, if you want to allow cash payments, you would check this box, but it only works with the per slot booking. And then you want to check this off to display QR codes to validate memberships. Again, if you're only with the membership membership registration up here. So this only works with that. What this allows you to do is when your users purchase a membership plan, in their membership profile, they'll have a QR code, and then that QR code can be scanned when they're walking into a gym, for example, to validate their membership. So it's a way to keep active members on the system. Okay, so those are the general settings. Once you've updated all that, you would come over here and click on Manage Plans, and then you'd see Add New Plans, and you can add. I've already added a couple plans in this demo, so I don't have to do all this over. So I've got Silver and Gold. When you click that, you can give it a plan name, description, what's going to show on the payment page, a period of time. So in this plan, it only goes for 24 months, but if you want to go lifetime or it goes indefinitely, you would click that. If you're doing any kind of sessions per, weekly sessions, you would put that there. We're not doing any sessions at all. In this plan, it's just, and the way the sessions work, for example, if you're setting up a plan, say your silver plan, I'm paying you $20 a month, and if you're a gym, you may have 50 different classes in a week. You will allow your users to have, in the silver plan, you can have, when you're paying $20 a month, you can have 5 sessions a week or 2 sessions a week or whatever that is. Sessions per fortnight means bi-weekly or lifetime sessions. If you're selling a plan on an annual basis, you could say you get 100 classes for X amount of dollars. User type, this is, I'm going to pass on this. This is a little more complicated, so we'll go jump into that at this point. One-time payments, if you want to allow that, you can have that. If you want to have a free trial, you can give it a label and how many days you want to give a free trial for before they actually have to pay. So how this works, you put like 14 days here. They still go through putting in their information, their credit card details, and selecting the plan, and then they won't be billed for whatever number of days you put here. Okay. If you want to have weekly payments, fortnightly again, which is bi-weekly, or monthly payments, you select whichever one of these you want. The monthly payment for this silver plan is going to be $19.95 a month. And if you want it to be indefinite, just put 1,000 in this box. Anything over $9.99 for lifetime. If there's a fixed number of installment payments, so let's say you're going to do 24 months or 36 months, or whatever, you put that number in here. Monthly discounted payment. So let's say you want to give them a discounted rate for the first 3 months. So you put that number here instead of $19.95. It could be $14.95, and then after 3 months, it will go back to the regular discounted rate. Okay. Again, this is how many months. This relates to this. So if you put $14.95 here, you put three months here in the example we just talked about. Again, you can enable your Stripe SDK, and if you want to have yearly payments, you can do that as well. So you can set up multiple plans when you're doing the settings and you select plans. You can set up multiple plans. You can have as many plans as you want. And now what this does is now it enables you to kind of gate your content inside of the app. So we've set up 2 plans here now. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the app in a second. But how you protect your features inside of the app is you go to your settings on your home screen. We're looking at this specific app. Any feature that you map on the home screen can be locked to a plan. So I'm going to select this one. For example, this is the appointment booking. If I select membership access members only, then this when someone tries to access this from the app home screen, the payment gateway thing will pop up asking them to select a plan. If it's left blank, it's available to everyone, obviously. But if you select members only and they're not a member, they'll get the payment window. If they are a member, they will have access to it. So that's how you protect any feature that we've got. So you can select any one of the features that we've got in our platform and just select members only, and that will only allow members to see that feature. Okay, so now we're going to jump into what the app looks like, what the membership looks like inside the app. Okay, so this is the app that we were just working on and what we're looking at is the membership button right here. So when I click membership, this is what you're going to see as a person, as a user, the ability to select plans. So I've got 2 plans here, a silver or gold. Whatever plan I select, the payment will go away. My name and phone number are there. My email's already there. So if I select the gold plan now, it goes to the plan that I set up for gold for $29.99 a month. I click continue, and the payment window pops up here. Once I've paid, I will be able to get access to whatever feature you want it to be. Okay, so right now we put membership. This is how you pay for it. I'll show you now what the membership profile looks like. And in order to do that, I've got to come back to the calendar booking section here. And I've got to add myself as a member because I don't want to pay for this right now. I've set up 2 plans. One's $19.95, one's $29.95, but I don't want to actually pay for this and go through that process. So I'm going to set myself up as a member. I will just click on the menu over here and click add member. And then there's only me here, so I'm going to add myself. I'm going to go gold plan, submit, and continue. And now that's it. So now when I come over here to active members, I should be in the active members. So there I am as an active member. I'm going to jump back into the app now. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at, I haven't mapped it out on the home screen because I haven't put buttons on it because I'm doing this for demo purposes only. But I put the QR code here and then my membership profile over here. So let's take a quick look at the QR code first. Okay, so this is my QR code. If I'm a member of a gym, for example, I'd pull out my app and you'd have a button that says QR code on it. I'd click that and my QR code, I'd walk into the gym, they'd scan my QR code, they'd know that I'm a valid member. If you had a family membership, I set up 2 myself here. If you have a family membership, let's say again, in the case of a gym, I could click on 2 different members, myself, my kid, my wife, my dog, whatever. You have all your members, your family members listed here, and then each one of them will have different QR codes. Okay, so that's the QR codes. Over here in this corner, I put up the membership profile, and this is what you'd see. You'd have a member that you could select. I've got 2 of them here, so I select one, and I click on the membership status, and it will show me my profile, my plan, my payments, cycle, amount paid, status, renewal date. So that's the next time I'm going to be charged. I can edit my profile. I can update my payment details with a new cart, for example, if I want to put a new card information there. I can change my plan. I can come in here and renew and change my membership and select if I want to go, downgrade from gold to silver. I can do that here as well. Right now it's silver. I can only go to silver because I'm already on the gold plan. Go back screen here, and I can cancel my membership, and I go back to my list here. So. In essence, that's a quick overview of the membership system, the paid membership system, and how it's set up and how it's used. Thanks for watching.